Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we'll be making a lot of things. First of all, we'll be making Yamarita. We'll be making egg sauce, vegetable egg sauce, and then I'll be blending fruit juice. Sit back and watch me do it. Guys, for the yam, we'll be using 3 eggs and half cup of all-purpose flour to coat it. So that's what I'll be using for the yam. Then for the egg sauce, vegetable egg sauce, I'm making use of my vegetable ugu leaf. I'll be making use of fresh tomatoes, and I'll be making use of eggs, 3 eggs, pepper, green pepper, red pepper. I'll be making use of Maggi and salt. I'll be making use of vegetable oil. So let's start. Guys, the first step is to wash the yam. That's what I'm doing. I'm washing my yam. After washing my yam, I will parboil it. Yeah, it's not cooking. I will parboil the same way we parboil rice. So as you are parboiling, please make sure you add little salt to it. I'm not cooking, I'm not boiling the yam, I'm just parboiling. So after 12 minutes I went back to check it's okay for me, so I will sieve it with my sieve and I'll cool it off with cold water, and I'll start coating. I'll coat it with egg and my all-purpose flour. You will see the way I will do it, and that is what is called Yamarita. After coating, I will fry it. You will just sit back and watch me do it. Hope you're enjoying this video. So guys, I'm coating my yam now. So you press it in your egg. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. After that, you place it in your all-purpose flour. That's what I am doing. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Very easy to make. That's what is called the Yamarita. If you do it this way, after coating, you fry it, and that is Yamarita. So guys, as you can see, I'm done coating it. Please, lest I forget, I added salt in that egg, so please add little salt while coating. So it's time to fry. So I'm frying it now. You will see once it's okay, I'll bring it down. So guys, we have been frying it for about 6 minutes now, about 6 to 7 minutes, so it's okay. So that's our kitchen pepper. I'm putting it there so that it will help absorb the oil. So guys, our Yamarita is ready. Yeah, very delicious. So guys, that is the color, like gold brown color. That is now okay. So I will start making our vegetable egg sauce. But guys, before I do that, I will have to test this delicious Yamarita. It is very delicious. I wish you tested it with me. Guys, let me test one. It's still hot, but it's okay. It's delicious. The salt, the egg, everything joined together. It's okay. So let me continue with the sauce. Let's continue with the sauce. That's my tomato and my onions. I'm through cutting. Then that's my vegetable and my green pepper, and that is my vegetable oil. It's the same oil I use for the yam, but I just poured out some, so I will be using this for the sauce. I've added my tomato and my onions. So I'll be adding salt. Yeah, I always add salt so that they will all fry together. Then after adding salt, I will add my pepper. Adding my Maggi. I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggi now. Yeah, after that you turn it and you leave it to keep drying. So that's my vegetable. I'm done cutting my vegetable. So once the tomato dry, I will add my egg. After that, I'll add my vegetable and bring it down. So guys, I thought we will be doing many things today. That's my fruit juice. As I'm waiting for my tomato to dry, I'll be blending it right away without wasting time. Yeah guys. So that is our tomato. I'll be adding our egg because now it's drying. So it's like it took me, let's say, 20 minutes for this tomato to dry up. Yeah, 20 minutes. So I've added my egg now. I will allow the egg to fry very well to mix with the tomato before adding my vegetable. Once I add my vegetable, I will bring it down, and yeah, our vegetable egg sauce is ready. So we devour it with the Yamarita. That's it. So guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and please make sure you comment. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, the egg is okay. Wow, it's looking so delicious, and truly is delicious. So guys, I'll be adding my vegetable now. Once I add my vegetable, I will turn it and bring it down. Yeah, I will not wait for, let's just say I'll wait for like a minute or two. I'll bring it down because I don't want my vegetable to get soft. We love eating it as fresh as it is now. So guys, that's our vegetable egg sauce. Come and join us. Yeah, come and join us. So guys, everything is ready. I'm almost done because I'm done blending my juice. That is the juice. The only thing is to sieve it. I will sieve it now. Once I sieve it, I'll put it inside the fridge to get cold. So that's what I am doing now. Guys, we are done for today. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Wow, see our food. This is perfect for lunch or dinner. Yeah guys, try it out. It's very delicious, very lovely. It's a nice delicacy. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll eat it. As I'm eating, I'll be drinking my juice. Yeah, my natural fruit juice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, I appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye.